Hey guys, it's me, Mopar Matt, coming to you live from my little piece of Mopar heaven. Um, I have got not one, not just one, but two boxes. Now, this one right here, y'all are gonna have to wait till the end to see what's in here, because you're gonna like it. But more importantly, this right here is from the one and only PJ, aka PBAJ 1972. Now, I have cut it open already, but I did not take anything out of it because I wanted the element of surprise. And after I get done with all this stuff, I got another surprise for you guys. I did another wheel swap, and I think it came out sick. So I want everyone's opinion on that. And like I said in one of my other videos, I promise I'll try to keep this down to less than half an hour. Okay? But first, bag of goodies from Mr. PJ. And we have, oh dude, nice, 70 Plymouth AAR CUDA. Boom! On the card. I actually have two of these from TPF customized. Very nice, very nice. Then we got, oh, this guy. Very cool. The Hot Wheels Skate Punk. Boom! Nice. That's cool. First time. That's the first time I've ever seen one of those in person. Very nice. Then we have one of the cars I wanted from him. I mean, the Skate Punk and the AAR CUDA were a surprise. But the next two are ones I did want from him. The Hot Wheels Classic from '07, 56 Chevy. Boom! Check that out. Love that chrome and flaming. Look at that. Look at that thing. Nice. The next one, actually, that might provide a little more light. The next one from him that I knew I was getting is also from maybe 2004? Yeah, copyright 2004. The Hot Wheels Classic Series 1 71 Plymouth GTX in a... Oh, I love gold! Gold color with the red lines. Boom! Check that out. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, this next one was a surprise. It's one of the ones I was not aware of, but it's always nice to have another one of these bad boys. The 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Boom! Always nice to have another one of these boys. Okay, then we have. Ooh, I see bubble wrap. Got peanuts, bags, bubble wrap, everything. Packing galore. And the round two plastic bags. We have. Ooh, nice. Yeah, I requested this one from him Custom 64 Galaxy G 500. Boom! Insane flaming on these decals, man. Had to get this. Let's see if I can get the color shot. Yeah, there we go. I was getting that. And this is another one I knew I was getting. The 69 Corvette 427 in a nice green. Boom! Check that thing out. Loving this one. And yeah, this is another one I knew I was getting. The Road Trippin' 57 Chevy Bel Air. Copyrighted 2013. Boom! Loving this one also. Then this one, this is definitely one on the surprise list, but I like it. This is very, very cool. 2012 copyright Toyota 2000 GT in red. Boom! Look at that thing. Look at how vibrant that red is. Nice. Good job, PJ. Loving this stuff. Then we have the 73 Falcon XB. This is another surprise one from 2013. Boom! Look at that beautiful color. I'm liking this a lot. You did good, PJ. No freaking lie. No lie, man. You did good. And last, but not least, way at the bottom. And now I'm going to be picking up peanuts for 2 days. Four more cars. Actually, no, one, two, a bunch more. 4 more of them. I knew I was getting this one. 34 Dodge Delivery, Saturday Evening Post, Norman Rockwell. Boom! My mother has a ton of Norman Rockwells, and she gave me one of hers. And when I saw he had this up for trade, I had to get this. It might just go to her, but don't tell her that. Then we have a Johnny. We got the Johnny. Johnny Lightning Street Freaks. Street Freaks. I love when I get tongue-tied. 72 Plymouth Roadrunner with blower and no hood. Oh, sick, man. Sickness. Boom! Look at that thing. No hood, get the blower. Beautiful purple color. Yeah, this is gonna look nice. Then we have let's see, Creature from the Black Lagoon, Low Flow, 6 wheels. Boom! Check that out. 6 real riders, man. This one was a surprise, and I love it. Absolutely love this one. And last, but not least, from the PJ box, Dodge Double Demon, Frankenstein, Metal Wheel Riders, Green Lines. Boom! Check that thing out. Frankie. Okay. Wow, man. Let me just make sure. Yeah. Okay, that is it from the PJ box. Now, the smaller box I got today was the eBay purchase I told you guys about. I saw one of these in person that Go-Go Daddy had hanging on his wall, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I was getting me some. Found me a sweet deal on eBay for these things, and I think you guys are gonna like this, because I do. Boom! Not one, not two, but three Zamac Daytonas. Absolute sickness. Definitely gonna keep one on the card. I might crack one later. Oh, wait. Dude, there's an error. I caught me an error. Oh, that is sick. That is an error. I am not cracking that one at all. Check this out. First one, small front wheel, big back wheel. Second one, small front wheel, big back wheel. Third one, all big wheel. Is that sick or what? Ha ha! Dude! Got me an error. Ha! And yeah, that error is staying with me. Dude, sickness. This day just gets better and better. So yeah, now you guys have seen it. And last but not least, the wheel swap I did. Remember when I mentioned the first wheel swap with the first wheel swap car, that it wasn't the combi, but it was nice because the Daytona wheels wouldn't fit on the combi. Well, I finally pulled off a wheel swap on the combi. It started life with these wheels. Larger on the back, smaller on the front, of course. Then I stumbled upon not one, but two 68 Dodge Coronet Super Bs in red, and I decided to crack one. Lo and behold, the axles fit perfectly, and the yellow lip around the wheels looks insane. I mean, yeah, I've just basically given the whole thing away, but I don't care. Check this thing out. Boom! Look at that. Coronet wheels on a combi. And I didn't have to do any shaving of the chassis or nothing. Tell me what you guys think, because I think this looks awesome. And it rolls it rolls like an absolute dream. So, and there you can really tell that yellow. Dude, man, this thing looks nice. Hello, up close. let me know what you guys think of this, man, because I think it looks great. But yeah, that's my unboxing video. I went all through PJ's stuff. I did the Daytona eBay haul and discovered the error, which I'm surprised the eBay seller did not notice that. Yeah, that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to many more videos. So that's that. This is Mopar Matt signing out from my piece of Mopar heaven. Peace!